Imagine a world where you never miss a follow-up because you forgot to set a reminder. Mass task management is your secret weapon, streamlining your workflow by adding tasks to multiple contacts at once. It's like having a personal assistant ensuring you stay on top of every opportunity. Access the Smart CRM to quickly create and assign tasks to multiple contacts. Whether it's delivering a CMA or adjusting a search alert, mass task creation saves you time. Each task created by you remains in your list until completed, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Think of tasks as your safety net. Manually created tasks stay in your list until you complete or delete them. A note appears in the contacts record and on your dashboard, reminding you of the task, ensuring you never miss a beat. By mastering mass task management, you ensure every contact is nurtured and no opportunity is missed. Start today and see how Bold Trail can transform your real estate practice. Remember, each task added is a step towards a more organized and efficient business.